Welcome guys, this is your host Metroplex. I am owner of Classic Games United and I'm just doing this tutorial to show you all how to make thumbnails, professional thumbnails for your YouTube videos using paint.net. So I'm gonna make a thumbnail for Medal of Honor Allied Assault. So I will show you all how to do it, right? First, if you have the game, any game, go into the game. If you have Windows 10, press home and alt and print screen. Take a screenshot and the screenshot will be inside here. The screenshot will end up inside of here. So this is my screenshot. I took this screenshot inside the game. So you see this is 1920 by 1080. Alright. So we're gonna make the thumbnail for that for this. We open it up. As you can see, that's now. It's now. Let's open up. Come on. Alright, so this is the thumbnail here, right? And we're gonna this is the screenshot here, and we're gonna make a thumbnail with this for my YouTube stream today. Alright, so I'll show you all how it's done. First, you open up paint.net and you go to images, canvas size, canvas size, and type in 1920 by 1080. Right, press OK. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and A and click delete on your keyboard. Delete button, click delete. Alright, then you go to this folder, mark open up. Then you go to videos and capture and select this screenshot that we took of the game. Alright, so it will look like this, right? So first off, what you want to do, go to YouTube, go to Google and type in Medal of Honor Allied Assault PNG logo. Alright, type in that, guys. And you will see these things come up here, right? Click on one of them. No, you don't want this one. Yeah, you're looking for the PNG one. Alright, this is it. So click copy and you go back here and you create a new layer. Add a new layer, and then on your keyboard press Ctrl and V. Alright, so you see, just like that. You make it a little bigger, make it a little big. You don't have to be that big, but just make sure and make it a little big. Put it in the middle here. Make sure it's in the middle. Alright, that look good there. Then press escape, so you will take off the thing that you see there. Alright, now just click on anything like T, select any font you want. I will select the Eagle Strike font and just type, remember it's multiplayer we're playing, so just type multiplayer in 2022. Anything you want to type, you type it. Alright, then you go to the move tool here and then you move this. No, just now, guys, I made a mistake. Just now, let's go back. Sorry about that. Let's go back. Alright, and you have to create a new layer now. Create a new layer, and then you select the text tool, and then you could type in what you want. Alright, and now you can move this around now. You can put it right here. Make sure you're not hiding the scenery of the game. You can put it right here. Press escape. Press the paint bucket. Select what color you want. See, so this is what I just do. No. Press back, press back, press back, press back. You could have different colors if you want. So I will choose a different color for each of the words. Okay. Oh shit. I made a mistake there. Let's press back. Alright, so you could choose a different color. Alright. So that you're following me well. And then click on the background now. Click on the background. Go to effects. Go to photo. And choose this one. Vignette. So that will give it that enclosure. And you could adjust it to how you want it. Like this. Hold on, guys. Alright guys, sorry about that. So yeah, this is how you'll get this. And another thing you could do is select this too, copy, make a new layer, and let's resize that down. Okay. Alright guys, you could have this as a little style if you want. Alright, and since I want people to know that I made this thumbnail, I will put my logo. Create a new layer, and I will go to where my logo is. It's right here. And I'll copy it, and then Ctrl V paste. And then I will just resize it down small. Alright guys, so this is the thumbnail here. As you can see, it's professionally made. We have the dark kind of edges. Of course, you can see the player, you can see the buildings and stuff. So this is basically how you make your thumbnail for your videos. So, and when you're done, you just go to file, save as, save it as a JPEG. Alright, rename this, and I will save it right here. Alright, so I click OK, and that's it. It's saved. Don't save. So you go to here, and now you could open it up now, and you will see how it looks. See how it looks? This is how it will look. So this is basically how I make my thumbnails for my videos. So I hope I was not confusing. I hope that y'all understand me. And yeah, this was just a little tutorial. So use this trick, use this tutorial to make your professional thumbnails for your videos. So that's it guys, and I will see you all in the next video to come. Take care, bye. And this is Metroplex from Classic Games United. I love you all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video to come. Bye.